your list. Human form?
We're going to be orange cheese and we're going to be... Assuming that they're all wrong is going to make you, and you have to understand the difference between denotation and overthinks anything. That also means questions that will never occur, right? If you find one instance where something will, you must stop and reflect on the past. Yeah. Don't answer the question, just highlight the subject and the verbs and paragraphs. Underline them. Yeah.
We're going to go over. Does anybody have any questions? On your screen. A few things.
Yeah. Okay.
So
As you can see, I did not do very chose the tool that I put in.
Junior.